Texas does not have what they would call alimony. They have what they call spousal maintenance. And it's basically kind of the same thing. It's just a different term used. For spousal maintenance, you can ask for it, and it can be awarded if there's a bunch of factors that the court takes into consideration. The folks can agree to have spousal maintenance. If they don't reach an agreement, the factors that the court considers basically are the post-divorce earning capacities of the parties, level of education, size of the estate, a lot of kind of common sense factors in regards to determining how much someone is going to receive and how long they're going to receive that spousal maintenance. But so short answer to that is nothing that is considered alimony, but there is in fact spousal maintenance.